Hey guys, Steve here again. Haven't been on the YouTube for a little while. I'm just making a shadow box for my daughter, and I'm using it out of 350 by 32 millimeter ash or oak or messmate, wherever country you come from. That's the kind of describing it is. I saw a good technique, which I've always been it's always found it a bit of a pain to try and do this style of stuff, and I'll just sort of share it with you. I'll flick it around. So here's my thing that I'm doing. Now, what I found was these are the scraps cut off when I 45 degree cut the board, like I showed down here. So it's cut on the 45 degrees. Also too, I've got the big belt sander over here, and this unit tilts back 45 up to 45 degrees, which is really good because I actually got a nice true 45 degrees and took off a little bit of a sort of shoulder, because sometimes it's very hard to get these things 100% 45 degrees, even even if it is Festool that's cutting it on the rail, because I cut that on the using the rails. But what you do is you get the scraps here and you glue them on with your hot glue gun. So all you just do is glue them on, and now as a result of this, and this has made this the easiest one I've ever done, and that is now your clamps get to pull in now, because it was always difficult to try, and I could never get it done right. So I found that was a great technique. Also too, what I do is I put blue tape on the edges there to help keep it a bit cleaner from getting too much glue around the place. Then this is my huge 600 by 600 6mm aluminium square, which was cut on a CNC for me, and this is absolutely perfect to sit it into where the glass will go. This is where the glass is going to go, and I was able to pull it in, get it perfectly square. I did put the clamps from corner to corner and corner to corner and just dial them up. But you know, I just put the square in, because at the end of the day, that's what I wanted to do, was square, and that's 100% square, this thing. But these clamps are really good. And this has been so easy. Normally I have to belt them in to try and, because they're dominoed. I've used these are the dominos, which are the exterior quality ones. So that these are really good for this sort of work, because I've got waterproof glue. I use Gorilla Wood glue because it's a waterproof glue, which is fabulous. And this clamping method is great. Now apparently, I've heard all you do is give them a sharp rap and they knock off. So I'm going to give that a try, but I think you've got to do it with a chisel or something like that. So we'll see what happens. Well, yeah, it comes off real easy. I think I'll have to work on that. Maybe I put too much glue. No, I'll be able to get it off. I'll get it off with a chisel or something. And apparently you can just scrape off the glue. Yeah, just I thought I'd pass this on as a way of clamping up your 45s, and if I have troubles with these blocks, I'll let you know. So there's today's little tip. Not a huge tip, but a little one. Thanks guys, see ya.